not want to get too far up close here because it's so shallow.
Yeah, I really didn't want to put that money in the boat, but I got to thinking, if I go buy one of the used motors, end up spending $600 or $700 get it fixed. I just don't want the hassle. So I just went ahead and bought a new one. Could have paid cash, I put it on a charge card. I already paid $1,000 towards it. I know about $1,600. Man, if I were in this place, that's it. I see the little cat. Ooh, what was that?
Fish.
Fish got right here, son. Hey, you got one?
No, that was a bird.
Fish.
Yeah, I thought he had it, but he missed it.
You were a little slow on that one too.
Well, on this one, you got to let them eat it a second so they can get that hook in the mouth.
Well, I've been told that all my life, but some of them pros say no. You set it right away, you don't wait. A lot of people get one on a worm. There he is. Yeah, you got that. He was like a big one.
I don't know.
Well, where's the other tape? No, I can't.
You going?
I don't need centimeters. He's just 12 and a half, looks like.
Little baby fish. Where's the big ones? Come on, Big Bertha.
On there. Come on, fish. That's 12 inches.
Yeah. That's why I like fishing this. He ain't 10. That's what I want. He ain't big enough. What you got? 2 fish, Papa?